Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. After completing the basic tags of HTML, now we will do the lists and table tag in HTML. Okay, first of all, let's create basic template and name it as lists and tables in HTML. Also copy it to and create a h1 tag. Okay, so first of all, we will do our list. So create a h2 tag with the list. And we have three types of lists in the HTML. The first one is the ordered list, then an unordered list, and then an description list. And I'll show you all of these. So for that, let's create a h3 tag for the first type, which is ordered. Okay. So for ordered list, the syntax is you have to write OL. Okay. And for the items in that list, we have to create LIs. Let's say the first one to be item 1, second li to be item 2, and third li to be item 3. Okay, so after that, let's again create a h3 tag for unordered list. Okay, so for unordered list, we have the syntax ul. After writing ul, let's create li's for that unordered list. Let's say item 1, item 3. Okay, the third type is description list. Okay, for the description list, the syntax is you have to write dl. Okay, okay, let's say in the description list, we can add descriptions of any data by writing dt. You can name any data. Let's say iPhone 12. By writing dd, we can add its description. Let's say it's an Apple device. For second, we can add Samsung Galaxy, and for its description, let's say it's an Android device. Let's add one more. Vivo Book 15, and in its description we can add it's a laptop. Now let's see the working of the code we have done. Okay, so you can see the first one is the ordered list. All the items are in order. The second one is the unordered list. So there is no order of all these items. And the third one is description list. This is the way you can add the descriptions. Okay. So these are the lists in the HTML. After the list, let's create an h1 again for our tables. Okay, for table you have to write table. Inside the table, you want the headings and the rows and the columns in the table. For starting, you have to write tr. Inside tr, you can create as many headings as you want. Say the first heading should be name, the second heading to be let's say roll number, and the third heading should be marks. Okay, after creating the headings, we can add items in all these headings. How we can add items? By writing td. Okay, so first one is name. We can say Raj. Second one is its roll number. Let's say R1. Third one is its marks. Let's say 400. For the second value, we again have to create tr. Say the first to be Rahul. For its roll number R2. For its marks, let's say 460. When we save and check it's working, you can see we'll have a table. So when we do the CSS and the stylings in HTML, I'll tell you that how can you create the borders and separate the rows and columns in the table. Okay, so the list and tables tags are done. After that, I'll tell you a complementary tag, which is a Marquee tag. Let's see what we can do with this tag. For that, we have to create a h1. Let's create a h1, and inside it, let's write I U programming. Please, okay. Let's add a break here. Please subscribe to my channel. Now let's see it's working. If I run this, you can see. So same as that, we can also add images inside the Marquee tag. Let's see how we can do that. So I have 3 images in my folder. As you can see, image1.jpg. The second one is image2.jpg. Third one is image3.jpg. Let's save it, and if I run it now, you can see the images will also come. The first one is of the laptop, the second one is the simple Google image, and the third one is of iPhones. Okay,